Welcome to today's episode, How to Master English Speaking in Just a Few Weeks. Imagine standing in front of a group of people, feeling nervous as your heart races. But then, you take a deep breath and begin to speak. The words flow, and you feel confident. This can be your reality. Many people dream of mastering English. They want to communicate effortlessly and express their ideas clearly. But where do you start? First, believe in yourself. You can do this. Confidence is key, and your journey begins with a positive mindset. Tell yourself, I can speak English fluently, and repeat it every day. Next, immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Choose topics that excite you, whether it's a thrilling mystery novel, an inspiring biography, or a captivating documentary. Enjoyable rather than tedious. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more familiar it will become. Practice is essential in language learning. Make it a point to speak English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. They are stepping stones to improvement. Find a language partner, someone who is also learning or a native speaker who can help guide you. Practice conversations with them regularly. Join English clubs or conversation groups where you can meet people and engage in discussions. If meeting in person isn't feasible, consider using language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to connect with learners around the world. Setting small, achievable goals is another powerful strategy. Aim to learn 10 new words each week. Create flashcards and review them daily. This method will not only expand your vocabulary quickly, but also help you retain what you learn. Don't forget about pronunciation, an essential aspect of mastering any language. Listen closely to native speakers. Watch how they form their words and the intonation they use. Websites like Forvo are excellent resources for hearing how words are pronounced in various accents. Record yourself speaking and listen back. This practice will help you identify areas for improvement. Thinking in English is another effective technique. As you go about your daily activities, try to describe your thoughts in English. For example, while cooking, you might think, I am chopping vegetables, or I will make pasta for dinner. This practice helps bridge the gap between your native language and English, making it easier to respond naturally in conversations. Engagement with English content is crucial as well. Comment on their posts and join discussions. This not only improves your language skills, but also connects you with a global community. The more you interact, the more comfortable you will become with using the language. Consistency is key to success. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to practice your English skills. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Whether it's reading an article, watching a video, or practicing conversation, this commitment will yield significant results over time. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Each step counts. Did you have a good conversation today? Celebrate it. Did you learn a new phrase or understand a movie without subtitles? Celebrate that too. Recognizing your achievements, no matter how minor, will keep you motivated and reinforce your learning. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Mastery takes time, and it's essential not to rush the process. Each person learns at their own pace, and the key is to enjoy the journey. You will face challenges, but those challenges are opportunities for growth. In just a few weeks, you can make significant progress in your English speaking skills. You can speak with confidence, connect with others, and share your stories. Imagine standing in front of that group again, only this time you feel at ease. You engage in conversations effortlessly, making connections and building relationships. Now, take a moment to close your eyes. Picture yourself speaking English fluently. This vision can be your reality. You have the power to master English speaking. Start today. Take that first step. Whether it's practicing a few phrases or engaging in a conversation, you are capable and you will succeed. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with supportive communities, whether online or in person, where you can share your experiences and learn from others. Remember, you are not alone on this path. Many others are walking the same road, and together, you can inspire and uplift one another. As you practice, be patient with yourself. Mastery takes time, and it's essential to enjoy every moment of this process. Each day presents a new opportunity to improve. Whether you're speaking with friends, participating in discussions, or simply thinking in English, every effort counts. So, as you go about your day, keep this in mind. Every word you speak brings you one step closer to your goal. Visualize yourself as the confident speaker you aspire to be, sharing your ideas and connecting with people from all walks of life. This vision can be your reality with perseverance and determination. Until next time, keep speaking. Embrace the journey and remember that your voice matters. You have the power to express yourself, to share your story, and to make an impact. Let's continue this adventure together, and I look forward to hearing about your progress in our next episode. Happy learning!